Cringe here. This is going to be a very special episode because not only is it going to be a special episode, it may be in two parts because this boat is gigantic. There are so many rooms. So many rooms, guys. So, yeah. We may want to use like a, I feel like Mur's gonna come into play like a lot here because there's a lot of fishes. I didn't mention this in the previous episode. I love the move dig because you can't miss. You can never miss. You do only get it about 10 times, so that is quite the downside. Oh no, I forgot to set my timer in the video. Alright. Oh wow, you're not even gonna let me get the Pokeball. Oh, Pikachu. Level 23. I think our Pikachu's level like 24. Yeah, that's not a scary face. What does it do? Frightens the foe. Oh wow, reduces speed. Let's get rid of Smoke Screen. Stardust. We're going to fight in here. Oh. One of my pet peeves in this game is like having Scratch for so long. I just like the move because it's simple, you know. Oh, Growlithe. I love Growlithe. Or did. Nice. You can't beat the move dig. It's amazing. Oh my god, guys, we're getting so close to evolving Mankey. So Mankey's definitely gonna stay with us, obviously. We are looking for TM Cut. Oh, it's Sal. He got 40 Pokemon. Well, good for him, you know. We need like 70 Pokemon to do the post game, so I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm probably gonna make like a series after we beat it, like a post game series of me just like grinding Pokemon. If you guys would be interested in like watching that. What am I doing? Oh boy, we're using Dig. We are using Dig. Oh, bam. Oh crap. No! Why'd that do like so little to him? Is there like a Pokemon Center on board? I really hope there is. Like, what happens if we die? Oh my god. Please be faster. He has a Kadabra. I want a Kadabra, but he kept on teleporting away. I wish I could just like catch him right now. That'd be really fun. Alright, next floor. Oh, it's not only next floor. You can have this hidden machine. Teach Cut to your Pokemon. You can see Cut. Wait, was that Cut? Did we just get Cut, guys? If we did, that would be amazing. We got Cut! Alright, we gotta give it to someone. No one's able besides Blitz. Should we give him... Should we get rid of Scratch, guys? You know what? Cut does 50. And the accuracy's 95, it does 50. I'm doing it, guys. Bam! I did it. Yeah, you heard me. Alright, guys, we got Cut. The only important thing in here. We just did this floor. I don't think we did the bottom floor. This is actually just great to like level up Pokemon with. Oh yeah, we can use this for attacking. Oh, we're gonna die. We are so dead. He fainted. I panicked and lost. I just like panicked. I'm like, ah, and I just like lost money. Makes so much sense. Alright, guys, we're going back on the boat. Oh, we have cut now. Oh, wow, we can actually. Should we do them? No, we're not gonna do the gym yet. Because I want to, we do have a ticket. No! What? What do I do? What happened to the 2-part special? Wow, guys, the ship's gone. Alright, just got it. Let's just like to beat the gym. Try the gym. Which one is this? Oh boy, my boy's got a Pikachu. So we're probably not gonna be able to beat the gym now. Dig. Yeah, you can't hurt me. Damn. What? Oh, we can find these guys. Good. I really want to find these guys. What's not user volley? Oh, you know what's user. So many Pikachus on this. Oh, Doggo can literally kill everyone. With, friggin' Dig. It's super effective against electric. So many Pikachus. Why? Dig. Eat my Dig. You have to like kill everyone. Oh, it's just Ember. Cut. TM cut. I'll destroy you. I can't wait to get flamethrower. I just love that move. So how do you open the door? What do you do? I know what to do. 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 Oh, with that. Oh, he's right here. Are we ready for this, guys? No, we're not. I'm just gonna use the Pokemon Center really quickly. Let's try it. But if we're not strong enough for it, then we can just we'll just level up We'll just evolve Mankey. Then I think we'll be ready. All right. I actually forgot what type is this gym? It's like I'm assuming it's electric. So let's get Mankey out first. Escape from here. As much as I would love to. Oh, it is electric. Oh, easy. We're gonna destroy these guys. Oh, this is too easy. We're destroying this guy. This gym. I like how this gym is like so much more easier than Misty's. Oh crap! It's a Raichu. Dig, and you're dead. Oh no. If we get a critical, then we're good. How does Dig miss? I thought it can't miss. Well, I don't care. We still won. Seismic toss. I always forget this move. Is it good? A gravity feather that causes damage matching the user's level. No, I think we'll just skip that. I don't know. Oh, got shockwave. Wow, that was too easy, guys. We just beat that gym like the first try. Let's go to the Pokemon. No, I'm not gonna get anything right now. Because honestly, I just want to go on this boat. Which we can't do, because the friggin' chipset's in it. I'm so angry. Do we have to do this? I hate caves in this game. If you guys watched when I went in Mountain Moon, it was really not the best experience. Hate Mountain Moon. Maybe we should shoot the Pokemon Center before we start doing all this stuff. We got TM Cut, the most useful TM in the game, in my opinion. So I think we are good to go. We are moving right along, guys. What kind of Pokemon are in these grasslands? Oh, just some Spearows. Dig. You're dead. Oh, it doesn't affect him. Alright, I think Dig's actually gonna work out. I wanna evolve him before this video ends. Alrighty. Scratch. Wow, nothing's like killing this guy. Should I get like him with a fairy? Because like I have the on the Moonstone. Is this gonna affect him? Oh, it does. Nah, we need a Rhino. I wanna get a Rhino. Okay. Nice, guys. One more level. Then we are evolving our Mankey. This isn't gonna affect him. Oh, never mind. It does. It's super effective. I was like, it's either gonna not affect him or it's super effective. I don't even know if I can go like past like my recording limit because I forgot to set up my timer. I usually set up like a timer. And we fainted. Nice. And Mer's confused. So if like all my Pokemon like get confused. Let me go like this. Mankey's dead. And like I really wanna like just like level him up. So we're just gonna go to the Pokemon Center. And I think we're actually going to leave it off right here in this Pokemon Center, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Cranky Smith Basketball, and we will see you guys later. Goodbye.